The hoisted sim carcass enters the sterilization booth, where high-pressure water jets blast the surface, ensuring rigorous cleaning. After the rapid chilling process, the beef is held at a precise 1 degree Celsius overnight. The chilling
Inside the primary blender, giant stainless paddles slowly tumble the raw ground beef, beginning the uniform blending process under vacuum.
The inspected patties approach the freezing tunnel, entering the IQF spiral freezer, where the freezing process begins amidst the cold fog.
All right, check the bill of lading against the health certificates.
Got it. Looks like a full load of Angus.
The animals are moved slowly towards the holding pens, ensuring a stress-free environment.
The process begins here in the holding pens. The animals are given time to rest and hydrate with clean, flowing water before moving to the next stage.
Sanitation is paramount here. Every worker must use the boot wash station before entering the processing zone.
The single-file curved chute is designed to reduce stress, closely monitored by workers on the platform.
The veterinary inspector meticulously checks the internal organs in the color-coded bins before approving the batch for processing.
This is the splitting stage. A high-speed vertical bandsaw divides the carcass with surgical precision, cooled by a constant water spray.
After the rapid chilling process, the beef is held at a precise 1 degree Celsius overnight.
The chilled Wagyu carcasses enter the sterile cutting hall, where our diverse team stands ready at the stainless steel workstations.
The long boning knife slices precisely along the rib bones, revealing the high-quality marbling texture of the meat.
Following the removal of the loin, the focus shifts to lean meat trimming. This close-up shows the precise removal.
The separated fat is collected for the burger ratio, ensuring consistency in the final product.
Functions. The precise 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio is crucial for the perfect burger. Once weighed,
the hydraulic lifter dumps the raw beef into the hopper, beginning the process of creating the giant burger patties. The process begins with coarse grinding. The powerful auger screw pulls the beef toward the cutting plates, extruding it through a 12mm plate. Once the safety lid is open, the massive industrial grinder is powered on, ready to process the beef.
The mixture then passes into the secondary grinder, utilizing a 4mm plate to achieve that perfectly smooth burger mince texture.
After the quality control check, the freshly ground beef is approved and transferred to the vacuum mixer to begin the seasoning phase.
Inside the primary blender, giant stainless paddles slowly tumble the raw ground beef, beginning the uniform blending process under vacuum.
To create the perfect burger batter, the mixture is rapidly churned until completely smooth, ensuring uniform seasoning throughout. The calibrated machine uses a rotary drum to portion exact amounts of meat into forming cavities, the first step before compression molding. The hydraulic press slams down, instantly shaping the fresh ground beef into uniform patties before they move down the line.
The automatic feeder system ensures that each giant patty is precisely separated by a thin polyethylene sheet, ready for the next stage of high-speed production.
Here at the check weigher, the scale rapidly verifies the weight. Hitting the 113-gram target allows the patty to continue.
The inspected patties approach the freezing tunnel, entering the IQF spiral freezer, where the freezing process begins amidst the cold fog.
The patties enter the freezing tunnel, where temperatures rapidly drop to stabilize the meat.
Here in the packaging hall, precision robotics handle the final stage, rapidly preparing the frozen burgers for shipment around the globe. The automated stacking process ensures perfect uniformity, with Delta robots precisely placing each giant patty using suction technology. After the separators are added, the completed stacks move smoothly along the conveyor, maintaining perfect synchronization as they approach the wrapping station. To ensure quality, every pack must pass through the high-sensitivity metal detector before moving to the next stage.
The scanner identifies a faulty pack, triggering the high-speed air jet, which instantly removes the product from the line.
After initial processing, the giant patties move through the metal detector. A flashing green light confirms they are.
The folding process is entirely automated, with these articulated arms capable of preparing hundreds of boxes per minute.
Once stacked, the pallets are immediately secured with a protective sheet, ensuring the product's integrity before final wrapping.
Once stacked, the robotic arm begins the stretch wrapping process, sealing the boxes securely.
The final step is the loading dock, where pallets of frozen burgers are carefully placed into temperature-controlled trailers.
Temperature approved for transport.
The massive flat-top grill is preheated to precisely 220 degrees Celsius, ready for the next batch of giant patties. The moment the frozen patty hits the scorching grill, the molecular reaction begins, creating that perfect sear.
Here in the factory, precision is key. Each giant patty is browned to perfection before moving on to the cheese application.
Next, the giant patties receive a slice of cheese, which instantly begins to melt on the hot surface.
Once toasted, the buns move to the assembly base. A mechanical arm precisely places a single, crisp leaf of lettuce.
The tomatoes are precisely sliced and placed by automated machinery, followed quickly by the fresh onion rings.
The automated sauce dispenser applies the final layer of flavor, ensuring a consistent spiral across the giant patty before the top bun is added.
The perfectly grilled patty, now topped with rich melted cheddar, is carefully placed onto the bun, ready for the next stage of assembly.
The final step. The perfectly grilled burger is paired with golden fries, ready for the customer.